Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 11th. Battle of Orewin Bridge 1282. On December 11, 1282, the Battle of Orewin Bridge took place near Cilmeri in Wales. English forces under King Edward I defeated the Welsh army led by Llywelyn ap Gruffudd, the last native prince of Wales. Llywelyn's death marked the collapse of Welsh resistance and the end of native Welsh rule. This defeat strengthened English control over the region and reshaped future political power. December 11th is remembered as a turning point in Welsh-English history. Admission of Indiana as a U.S. state 1816. On December 11, 1816, Indiana officially joined the United States as the 19th state. This followed a constitutional convention where leaders drafted Indiana's first state constitution. Statehood allowed residents to elect their own governor, lawmakers, and senators, giving them full political rights. Indiana's admission helped push America's westward expansion, opening vast lands for new settlers and development. The state's growth contributed greatly to the nation's early frontier progress. Today, Indiana honors this milestone each year on Indiana Day. Establishment of UNICEF 1946. On December 11, 1946, the United Nations founded UNICEF to support children suffering in countries devastated by World War II. The organization first focused on providing emergency food, medical assistance, and relief across war-torn Europe. As global needs grew, UNICEF transformed into a major humanitarian force dedicated to long-term child welfare. It now promotes education, health care, and human rights for children around the world. Over the years, UNICEF has helped millions survive and thrive. December 11th is celebrated as the beginning of a global mission of hope and care. U.S. declares war on Germany and Italy 1941. On December 11, 1941, the United States declared war on Germany and Italy, entering the European front of World War II. This action followed the attack on Pearl Harbor and mobilized the nation's military and industry. The U.S. quickly became a central leader of the Allied forces. Its involvement helped change the course of the war and global power structures. December 11th remains a defining wartime moment in American history. Boll Weevil Monument erected 1919. On December 11, 1919, a monument to the Boll Weevil was unveiled in Enterprise, Alabama. The insect had destroyed cotton crops but pushed farmers to diversify agriculture. New crops like peanuts helped rebuild and strengthen the region's economy. The monument symbolizes resilience and turning hardship into opportunity. It remains one of the world's only statues honoring an insect. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.